What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the official Samsung anti-reflecting screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And this isn't one of them glass screen protectors, this is like a film that you put on top of the screen, so it's more like to protect against scratches, and obviously it says anti-reflecting. Now Samsung already have done a lot this year with the S24 Ultra with the anti-reflective coating that is already built into the Gorilla Glass, as you guys can see. Comparing it to even an iPhone side by side, as you can see, this definitely handles reflections much better. Even facing it to me, you can see my PSG t-shirt reflection in the iPhone, but you can't see it very well on the S24 Ultra. So they definitely have done some pretty good anti-reflective coating already within the actual phone. But they have also made a screen protector, and I did buy it. They did actually give it to me with a free promotion along with pre-ordering the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So yeah, I'm going to be opening this up, we're going to be applying it, and I'm going to be showing you whether you should be buying it or whether you should be looking at something else that will protect your phone better or even do anti-reflecting better. But without anything else said, let's get straight into the unboxing and see what this is all about. So let's open this up. Now normally I'm somebody who uses a glass screen protector. Even on my iPhone I'm using this Spigen glass screen protector. I just think they protect your phone more, but I'm going to give this a shot, see what this does. So I think this is probably what has the screen protectors inside. Taking out the manual, this probably shows how to apply everything. I think there's more stuff at the bottom actually. So let me open it up. So they have this little box here. This is there to help with the application. We've got some dust removal stickers. We have the tool to take out the bubbles, and we also have a shiny cloth. Now something that is odd is that there's no alcohol cleaning wipes. Normally with every single screen protector you get alcohol cleaning wipes. For some reason they didn't want to add it within this package, but I guess that's fine. So what you want to do is, if you do have some alcohol or some wet wipes at home, not the drinking alcohol obviously, but like the cleaning alcohol, you just want to clean the phone, because obviously having dust underneath the screen protector is really just going to ruin the whole look of the screen protector. So just really make sure that you have cleaned the actual display before you get to the application. So yeah, let's get to the application and see what happens. So because of the immense concentration that I was doing while applying the screen protector, I didn't record any audio. So as you guys can see, I'm opening up the screen protector. There is actually a couple things you have to do beforehand. So I just used the sticker to take off any pieces of remaining dust. You can clean it, like I said, with the included cloth or just a wet wipe alcohol or anything like that. And there's also this alignment layer that you put on the bottom of the phone. I think I'm about to talk about it now. Something to note, to make the application easier, they have added these little sticky areas to this little piece. So just to make it so the alignment is easier, this will be able to stick to your actual phone so it won't move when applying. Alright, now back to the concentration. So just doing that final clean, taking off any dust that remains. And now what you're going to want to do is apply the screen protector. So there's this little sticker you take off. Make sure to align it to the bottom, to that applying thing that they give. And then use the card and just simply apply the screen protector. It really isn't that hard. This blue layer actually comes off. So as you guys can see, I just apply it, take off that little film at the top, and that's that. So ignore the mess, but as you guys can see, I have applied the screen protector, and looking at it, there are no bubbles. To be honest, perfect installation, so hands off to me, to be honest. But yeah, this is what the screen protector looks like. Now, to be honest, in terms of anti-reflection, the screen was already pretty good with the anti-reflection. The little screen protector at the top, in my eyes right now, it isn't doing much. Comparing it to the iPhones side by side, because there is a big window in front of me, it is definitely doing something, but you'll be fine if you don't buy the official anti-reflective screen coating, because the screen already has it built in, so the screen protector isn't really doing much, to be honest, as you guys can see. However, the screen protector is mainly there just so you don't get any scratches. You have your keys, it won't scratch the actual screen. It's going to be on the actual screen protector. And yeah, to be honest, at least there's a little bit of protection there, so you won't be able to scratch your screen. It's going to be protected. And I guess you do have a little bit, it's barely noticeable, but a little bit of extra anti-reflection. Now, if there are any bubbles, obviously you have this tool to obviously push around the screen, but obviously I don't have any bubbles. But yeah, that's the anti-reflective screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Will you be buying this? In my opinion, I definitely go for a glass screen protector just for that extra protection, because the screen already has some brilliant built-in anti-reflection. But yeah, once again, side by side, it is doing a pretty good job of handling the reflections, even pointing it once again at me. Like I said before, you cannot see the PSG logo, and I am pointing it, like you can see the tripod, but yeah, there it is. So you can just barely see the PSG logo. That's a good example. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe because there are a lot of other accessory videos gonna be coming out for the S24 Ultra. But with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.